Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If the screen on your Dell XPS isn't displaying properly, it could be due to a faulty screen flex cable or a loose connection. Ignoring this issue can lead to further damage, potentially affecting the internal components of your device. Addressing it promptly can save you time and money in the long run. For this repair, you will need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement flex cable. Start by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Using the precision screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back cover of your Dell XPS. Take your time with this step, as rushing can lead to stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover, being cautious not to damage any clips. With the back cover removed, locate the screen flex cable. It is usually situated near the hinge of the laptop. Check for any visible damage or disconnection. If you spot any issues, carefully disconnect the cable using your fingers or tweezers. Be gentle, as excessive force can damage nearby components. Next, take your new flex cable and connect it to the motherboard securely. Ensure it is seated properly to avoid future display issues. Once connected, double-check to make sure everything else is in place, then reattach the back cover of the laptop. Align it correctly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened, as this could warp the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this problem from occurring again, ensure your device is handled gently and avoid placing any pressure on the screen. Regularly check for loose connections if you notice any display issues in the future. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.